Chang is a Korean artist whose work delves into the elusive realms of invisibility and spirituality. Using art as a conduit, Chang navigates his confusion over the unseen, transforming it into a medium for storytelling and understanding his faith journey. Rooted in the traditional practices of Korean painting, Chang began his artistic journey with sumi ink and Japanese pigments on hanchi paper. Over time, he shifted from traditional brush techniques to contemporary mediums, employing rollers and squeegees with acrylic and charcoal. Eventually, he integrated these approaches with traditional Korean techniques, using a mix of sumi ink, acrylic paint, metallic paint, charcoal, and pigment pen on hanchi paper. The artwork explores a vivid range of visual tonality, reflecting Chang's journey towards embracing eternal light and a belief in transcendent perception. Through a process characterized by stillness and meticulous layering, Chang's meditative approach, involving up to 40 or even 50 layers of paint, fosters a deep connection with the regenerative essence of consciousness. Chang describes the unintentional outcomes of his process as divine revelations of eternal light. Chang's earlier series, Eternal Beauty and In Between, were created between the years of 2016 and 2020 and stem from transitions and evolutions from his faith journey. 3 near-death experiences involving drowning left a lasting impression of circles, bubbles of air floating in the water. These bubbles, representing microcosmic worlds full of life-supporting oxygen, became a symbol of eternal truth and majestic sovereignty. The In Between series continues to reflect the artist's agony over how to find the light that brightens the innermost parts of a man, despite the dark and desert-like realities. The Cairo series is a spiritually constructed world where time is in between. Created during his residency at the Tucson-Tak Foundation in Michigan, Chang found harmony with the light that penetrated throughout Lake Michigan and a quality of peace and openness he hadn't experienced before. For the artist, when he encounters the divine, he enters Kairos and reveals true beauty not normally seen to the naked eye, but that remains visible. Shortly after his residency, Chang delved into a 6-month collaboration with master silkscreener Gary Lichtenstein. From this process, Chang's paintings began exploring color in a more expansive way than ever before. The Glory series, highlighted in this exhibition, explores an explosion of visual tonality in direct relation to the expansion of Chang's heart, opening into a new context of eternal light and a belief in seeing from the beyond.
근데 먹이 함유하고 있는 색깔이 흑백 적청한 동에 그게 이제 칼날을 먹으면서 그게 까만 무주의 색이라고 표현을 하거든요. 근데 그게 빛이 스라처럼 탁 던지는 순간 그게 팍 터져가지고 툭툭툭 공원에 떨어진 거예요. 그게 저한테는 칼라예요. 그래서 같은 의미인데 에너지가 우측돼 있는 거고 그것은 에너지가 퍼져 있는